Magandang buhay. So I'm just sharing our camping experience at Nabunturan. And then we also went to New Bataan, the Bamboo Resort. Ito sa friend ng kaibigan namin. They have like a camping site on their backyard. So, avail lang kami dyan. Yan yung tent ko, yung green na malaki. Yan yung sa mga kasama ko. I'm actually a newbie when it comes to camping. Kulang-kulang pa po yung gamit ko. Please do not judge me. But the tent that I have is good for like 4 to 5 person. Nakabili ko lang yan sa Shopee. It's around 1,200. It is waterproof. Umulan pa niya nung gabi. And I don't have a tarp, ha? Hindi ako nabasa. Ito na clip. As you can see here, nasa Bamboo Resort kami sa New Bataan. It's like 54 minutes away from where we camped. The entrance here is only 20 pesos. I like their cold spring. Super lamig. They also have like swimming pools for adults and kids. And it's only 20 pesos. After that, we went back to our camp. As you can see here, gabi na. So, nag-chill-chill lang ako dyan, nakahiga kasi napagod ako sa swimming doon sa cold spring. Sobrang lamig, pero it's super worth it kasi parang nawawala yung mga pagod ko sa katawan when I went to their cold spring. Tsaka may mini falls pa yung cold spring nila. And it's only 20 pesos. The entrance is only 20 pesos. And you also have to pay for the tables and chairs, like 300 pesos. And you have to go early kasi madali siyang mapuno. And if maubusan ka ng tables and chairs, the only option that you have is the bigger cottage, which is good for family. 700 pesos yata. Yun siya. Pero again, 20 pesos lang talaga per head on top of the tables and chairs or like parang hot, parang ganon. So, you can go there and try to check the place. Safe naman siya, madaming bantay. And marami ding tao nagpupunta doon, which is really cool and good. Tsaka may parking space din sila. So you can see, here's my tent that I set up. Kulang pa yung gamit ko, but I'm aiming to get, buy more things. Yan yung husband ko, nag-videoke kami. And then this is, morning na siya, nagkakape na lang ako. That's it. Bye!